Hi, welcome back to my channel KSR English. Now I'm going to tell about parts of speech. Before moving on, I would like to tell one thing. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click on my on the bell icon also. And one more thing, if anybody interested for online classes, please contact me. My number is being displayed here. Now I'm going to tell parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Words in English are divided into 8 categories called parts of speech. Okay. Words in English are divided into 8 categories called parts of speech. According to words, we can make this sentence, and as they are as one is noun, second one is pronoun, okay, third one is verb, fourth one adjective, fifth one adverb, sixth one preposition, seventh one conjunction, eighth one interjection. Okay. Words in English are divided into 8 categories. They are called parts of speech. Parts of speech are: one is noun, second one is pronoun, third one is verb, fourth one adjective, fifth one adverb, and sixth one preposition, seventh one conjunction, and eighth one interjection. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech. Now we are going to explain noun. First one, in detail, what is noun, how many kinds of noun, what are the cases of noun, what are the gender of the noun, and everything will be explained now. Now I'm going to tell about noun. What is noun? Noun means a noun is a word used as the name of person, place, animal, or things. This is called noun. A noun is a word used the name of person, place, animal, or things. This is called noun. What is name of persons? What is places? Name of place, animal, things, For example, Ramu is the name of person. Okay. Or Shyam, name of person. Place, Mumbai, it is a name of place. Chennai, okay, it is also name of place. And things, flowers, rose, it is a flower, the name of flower. Okay. And also Godavari, name of river, it is also a noun. Okay. Ramayan, it's also name of, what is the name of the book? Ramayan, it is also noun. So these are all called nouns. For example, how we can make with this noun. Okay. Ashoka was a great king. Here, Ashoka, name of person. This is a noun. Was a great king. It is also a noun. King. Who is that? He was a king. So, king it is also a noun. The rose smells sweet. Here the flower name, it is also, what is that? Noun. Cow gives us milk. Here cow gives us milk. So cow is a name of animal. It is also noun. Here milk. Milk. It is also noun. Okay. Nouns. These are all called nouns. Okay. This is noun. Once again I am repeating you. Noun means it's a word used as the name of persons, places, animals or thing. This is called noun. That means simply you can say name of anything is called noun. Name of anything is called noun. So this is about noun. I think you are clear. Am I clear that? Now we will discuss about kinds of nouns. Kinds of nouns. Okay. Now already we discussed regarding noun. This name of, once again I am repeating you, name of person, place or thing. So this is called noun. Okay. So simply you can say name of anything is called noun. Here there are 5 kinds of nouns. First one is a common noun. First one, common noun. Second one, proper noun. Okay. Third one, collective noun. Fourth one, material noun. Fifth one, abstract noun. So there are 5 kinds of nouns. Once again I am repeating you. First one is common noun. Second one is proper noun. Third one is collective noun. Fourth one is material noun. Fifth one is abstract noun. Now I am going to tell vividly what is common noun, what are the examples, what are the proper noun, what are the examples, and collective noun, about the examples. Fourth one material noun and examples. Fifth one abstract one, noun and example. First we go to, now we are going to discuss common noun. So a common noun is a name given in common to every person, place or thing. Okay. A common noun is a name given in common. So common. This is common to every person, place or thing. This is called common noun. Simply you can say. For example, girl, boy, girl, boy, town, city, country, river, book, pen, and etc. These are common nouns. Okay. A common noun is a name given common to every person, place or thing. Okay. That is called girl, boy, town, city, a country, a river, book, pen. These are called common nouns. These are called common nouns. It is a just common for everything. For example, person. It is also common noun. Okay, it is also common noun. So this is called common noun. Okay, and for example, animal. Animal. It is also common noun. Animal. It is also common noun. And food. It is also common noun. So you can make more examples. This is common noun. Once again I am repeating you. A common noun is a name given common to every person or place or thing. This is called common noun. Now, second one is proper noun. Proper noun means what? A proper noun is the name of some particular, this is important, particular person, place or things. First, earlier you discussed common noun. Common noun means is common to every person or place or thing. Okay, that is common name. So here proper noun. Proper name means a particular. Here a proper noun is the name of some particular person, place or things. This is called proper noun. For example, Krishna, name of person, particular person. Okay. Here girl in the common noun, girl, boy, what is that? Person, thing. Here the particular, that boy name Krishna, that city name, already city is a common noun. That city name Mumbai is a proper noun. Here also Visakhapatnam, city is a common noun. Visakhapatnam, it is a proper noun. And country is a common noun. India, the particular name India is a proper noun. And also animal is a common noun. Here cow, it is proper noun. And river is a common noun. Here the particular name Godavari, it is a proper noun. So a particular name of something is called proper noun. Simply you can say a particular name of something is called proper noun. Here example Krishna, Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, India, cow, Godavari, etc. You can make more examples. Okay, thank you. Now third one is collective noun. Collective noun means the name of number of persons or things. The name of number of persons or things is called collective noun. Okay, that means what is collective noun? Group. A group of, that group name is called collective noun. Or countables. You can count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So that group or countables is called collective noun. Here, for example, crowd, mob, team, army, family. That means crowd means a group of people. Okay, mob also a group of people or group of animals or what. So the team, group of persons. Okay, group of place. And army and family, parliament. Okay, group of what is that? MPs, member of parliaments. Okay, committee and association. These are called collective nouns. Okay, group. So, for example, group of birds is called flock of birds. Flock of birds. Okay. It's a flock. Flock is a what? Collective noun. And bunch of flowers. Bunch of flowers. Okay. Bunch. It is a collective noun. So, collective noun means the name of number of persons or things. That means a group. Group name is called collective noun. Crowd, mob, team, army, family, parliament, committee, association or flock, bunch. These are called collective nouns. We can make more examples. Now, fourth one, material noun. Material noun means, material noun is the name of materials. Simply you can say name of materials. That's all. What is the name of materials? Fine. Rice. Okay, it is a thing. Rice, wheat, gold, silver, milk, okay, coffee, tea, wood, leather, sand, cement, iron. These are called materials. Okay, so these are called materials. Rice, wheat, gold, silver, milk, coffee, tea, wood, leather, sand, cement, iron, stone. These are called materials. So, name of materials is called material noun. Okay. You can make more examples like this. Now, abstract noun. Fifth one is abstract noun. Abstract noun means an abstract noun is the name of quality, action or state. This is important. An abstract means what? To describe. Abstract noun is the name of the name. What? It's defined. Name of quality, action, state. Abstract means summary. Summary of name of quality, action or state. Here, what is quality? Goodness. You can say, oh my goodness. Kindness. And so darkness, whiteness, brightness, honesty. Honesty is the best words you can say. Honesty, wisdom. Okay, these are called quality of the noun. So, quality, this means abstract noun. Okay, abstract noun is the name of quality, reaction or state. Here quality, goodness, kindness, darkness, brightness, honesty, wisdom. These are quality of the thing. Action. Okay, action. Second one, action. Laughter, theft, movement, judgment, hatred. These are called action of the thing. So, now third one, state. Childhood, boyhood, neighborhood, youth, sleep. These are called state of the thing. So, here abstract noun means an abstract noun is the name of quality, action or state. So, example, goodness, kindness, darkness, and action, laughter, theft, movement, judgment, and the state to childhood, boyhood, youth, neighborhood, sleep. These are called abstract nouns. I hope you all understand.